Welcome to First Secrets. I am Ahmad Welinkwe. It is not difficult to make wealth or to make income. How can you do that? First, you have to learn how the rich people think, how the rich entrepreneurs think, and you have to think in that way. How is that? First, think in a way that you are going to solve a problem. Go and look for a solution. Go and look for a problem for a solution that is big and solve that problem. And right now, if you are not making any income, this means that you are self-centered and you are busy solving your own problem instead of finding solutions for other people's problem. And if you find a big problem and you find a solution for that problem and you market this one, you are going to make money. For example, Martha Stewart is a billionaire. And how she became a billionaire? She teaches people how to keep homes, because those people were not taught by their fathers or their mothers. Now she is teaching people how to keep the homes, and now she became a billionaire. After finding a solution for a big problem, go and find a big pool of people who have that problem. You are being paid in direct proportion of the problem that you are solving. The bigger the problem and the bigger the pool of the people who have that problem that you are going to solve, the bigger the money that you are going to get. After you find a solution for a big problem and you found a big pool of people who have that problems and are ready to pay you in order to solve their problems, now go and sell a product, not a service. There are two types of businesses: the service-based business and the product-based business. The service-based business requires you to execute yourself. So you are going by yourself in order to solve that problem. And you have just only 24 hours. The product is not anchored by the time. You can sell one product in 1 hour, or 2 products, or 100 products, or 1,000 products. And in that case, then you have to go through the lead generation and convert that lead in order to get enough people who can buy your products. The second thing is, think in a way that the wealthy people think. How they think? Wealthy people think positively. How is that? For example, if you ask somebody, how is your day today? That person might say that it's just a worse day. It's a very bad day. It's just a gloomy day since the morning. And this is negative. So when you are talking, use those words that empower your expectations. But there are some people who use words that disempower their expectations. And it is better if you can learn and say that, what if? What if I wrote a book and I sell that book for a group of people? Then you will see that you are going to get a lot of money. And also you can use phrases such as, imagine if this and this happens. Imagine if I start a business and I employed a lot of people, and those people are going to feed their families. Imagine if I get 100,000 subscribers in my YouTube channel. What will happen? So always use those words that empower your expectations and expand your imaginations. The third thing is, be grateful, be appreciative. Always try and thank people. You are not going to lose anything if you thank somebody. Your tongue will not disconnect if you say thank you for somebody. Try and thank people. There are some people who have just one leg or one arm or one eye, but still they are thankful. Since you are healthy, you are breathing, and you woke up, you are not ill, you are not sick, just thank and be grateful. And the fourth point is, act on what is profitable and productive. Don't go after things that you do not know. Just act on things that you know very well and master on those things. Because wealth comes after mastery and assets comes after mastery. And if you are not good in something, just go and find smart people and delegate that work to those people. If you find value out of this video, don't forget to like it and also share this video with your friends and your families. And if you are new in this channel, subscribe to this channel. I am Ahmad Welinkwe.